Hi guys, today we are going to see a very basic video. So it's a video about how to make a call with the help of a widget button. It may not be helpful for you, but in many cases it will be helpful. For example, in my case, if you want to call, I want to go and search for phone first of all in order to call someone. Like, yeah, over here I do get phone, then I want to call. It's it will take a lot of time, right? But still, if you want to call anyone immediately, like with a press of button. Let me take an example. Maybe I can set the photo of them. Let me take a widget, or else before that we can, let's, sorry about that, that's my macros. Over here we are going to make a widget of myself to call geo balance. So I want to know my balance, so if I am clicking on my image, it will call them. Okay, let's take an example over here. Like, I will create a macro, yeah, and I'm creating a widget, user input, and go to widget button. Over here it's custom widget. I want to select an image. Over here you have many choices of your own apps. I don't want to choose any of them, because if I am choosing it twice, we will have a doubt over there. And I'm clicking on our macro king, yeah. So when I click on this, the label should be geo coino geo balance, yeah, that's fine. So we have created the geo balance button. Let me save it as call immediately. That's fine. Then I need to make a call. Okay, answer call, make a call to select a number. It should be 1299. For checking geo balance, you want to call 1299, you will get a message from geo. So I will just save it, nothing more than that. That's all. Let's go to our widget and create a macro. Yeah, I'll go fastly and make a macro. Over here, macro droid, come over here, shortcut, custom shortcut, drag and drop. Over here I'm going to call immediate. That's all, we have created macro. When I press over the, you can see that it's calling geo balance. So it will be not helpful for you. Maybe it will be helpful. Like for me, I can't get immediately and call over here. If I don't have a search bar over here, it will be very tough, because in here I want to just type phone. If any old person's using their mobile and they want to call you, you can just choose with a click of button they can call you. That's simple. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. I will be bringing you many videos. Also we get a message from Geo. So take care, see you soon.